What is up guys? In this video I'm going to share with you how to make money on YouTube with a small channel. Even if you do not have a complete of 1000 subscribers, still you can start making money. And the tactic I'm going to share with you, you can make 10 times more money than just AdSense, okay? And on plus of that, you will be easily able to monetize your channel with a very small following, okay? But before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So now we are going to jump on to the whiteboard and also on the YouTube, so I can share with you everything. So first of all, we are going to head over to the YouTube, and I just search for this term because it's really one of the most popular niches in the, okay, how to lose weight. And as you can see over here, these are just kind of, I want to share with you some kind of these guys are doing some of the stuff. For example, how to lose weight and get more energy in 15 days. So now what we can do, let's say your video, you are going to create a video on this topic, or maybe on any other topic, but you do not even know how to monetize. So there are a lot of ways to make money with the YouTube channel. Okay, there are a lot of ways to make money with the YouTube channel, and it can be like a let me just change this color. Okay, so now there are a lot of ways. First of all, a lot of people just think of the AdSense, and it's reality that guys, you can make 10 times more money than just AdSense with a YouTube channel. And the second one is doing kind of sponsorship. Yeah, you can make a lot money with the sponsorship, but do you know that the guys who are sponsoring on your channel, they are going to make much more money than you? That's the reason they are sponsoring on your channel. So why shouldn't you sponsor on your own channel? That's what you can do. So that is what I can share with you. You can sell your own products, or what you can do, you can sell the affiliate products. Okay, you can sell the products from the Amazon, you can sell the products from the ClickBank, you can sell the courses, you can sell the softwares, you can literally sell anything at all. You can sell anything, okay? And this is one of the most fastest way. And even if you are going to have, even if you are going to just get a 500 views or maybe 100 views, still you can start making money with this method. So that is what the ultimate method to start making money on the YouTube. So now how you can start making money on the YouTube. So basically with the affiliate marketing, what we are going to do, okay, what we are going to do, we are going to simply, first of all, we are going to create a valuable video. For example, as you can see over here, how to lose weight and get more energy in 15 days. So let's say we are only going to create a video on how to lose weight. So what we can do, we are going to tell them that 7 tips on how to lose weight. Okay, so first of all, we are going to give them free 7 tips on how they can easily lose weight. And then what we are going to do in the end, we are going to give them a call to action, like if you want to lose weight 1 kg in your first month without even by eating whatever you want, then check out the link in the description. Okay, that has helped a lot of people to lose their 1 kg weight in just 1 week or stuff like that, whatever you want to write. So then we can do, what we can do, we can promote a product, we can promote a ClickBank product, we can sell them a course, we can sell them an ebook, and we can also sell them like the products from the Amazon. It can be a book that is going to guide them how you can start losing weight without by eating what you want. So these are the things you can do. First of all, you are going to give them a valuable stuff. It can be any tips, free tips, and thereafter you can tell them, if you want faster results, then check out this product, then check out this book, then check out this guide. And that's all what you can do. Literally, you just need to do the same thing and then just link out to your product in the end. Or what I will suggest, you also link out to that product, also give a call to action for the product in the kind of in first 2-3 minutes, because that is the time most people will be watching a video. Otherwise, in the end, 90% of the video, 90% of the viewers will be going. Okay, so that is the reason that you can do the same thing. Okay, so now you might be thinking that probably how much can we actually make with this. Okay, but before that, let me share with you one more thing you can do. You can also do something like reviews, because there are a lot of products in the market that people really want to buy, but they are looking for the review. For example, they want to buy a camera, so they are going to simply search for the name on the YouTube, for example the Canon camera or Sony camera or whatever they want. Then they are going to simply search for like Sony camera review, they are going to write down the model, and thereafter they are going to search for that. So then what will happen, the people who have already having the camera, they are going to give the review that what kind of camera is this, should you buy or should you not, and then you can also start getting a lot money from there, because those are the guys who are very much interested in buying that. That is the reason they are searching for their reviews. They are not just looking, they are the hot buyers. And if you are going to give them a good review and you can give them bonus as well, then probably you will be the one who can get them who can get a sale. Okay, because 90% of the guys are just selling, giving the review on for the camera. They are not doing anything. But what you can do by beating up the 90% of the, not just 90%, but it's kind of a blue ocean strategy. But in the make money online niche, everybody is using this, but not in the electronic gadgets niche, not in the kitchen gadgets niche. So that is the reason you can use. What you can do, you can tell them, when you are going to buy the camera with my link, what I will do, I will give you a free course on how to become a photographer, on how to click the better photos, on how you can easily use this camera, how you can, all of the things, a complete guide to the camera. You can give them something for free. It can be any bonus, and you will be amazed that your income will be your income will at least go by 10 times, just because 99, not just 99, but nobody is giving that them anything. For example, if you are going to do a kitchen knife review, you can tell them, hey, if you are going to buy this knife from my link, then what I will do, I will give you the kind of some recipe, some secret recipe, and to make something very tasty, stuff like that. You can give them something for free because nobody is giving them. And also what you can do, you can write in your thumbnail like a bonus. Okay, bonus. So when you are going to write that stuff, people will be more attracted and they're going to click on your thumbnail, and you will even get more and more views, because when somebody is going to click on your bonus on your thumbnail and will watch your video, then your video will be keep on going up and up in the ranking as well, and you will keep on getting more and more laser targeted traffic. That is what we want. Okay, so that is the thing you can do. For example, you are going to let's say you are going to do a kind of okay, let's say you are going to do a review for a mobile phone. Okay, you are going to sell that mobile phone, you are going to link out to the product, and then what you can do, you can tell them, hey, if you are going to buy this through my link, what I will do, I will kind of what you can do, there are a lot of things. Just let me know in the comment box, what can you give as the bonus when somebody will be buying a mobile phone from you. Okay, when somebody will be buying a mobile phone, yeah, you can also tell them, because everybody, a lot of the people are interested in making money. Okay, so what you can do, if you are going to buy the mobile phone from me, then I will do kind of a free course. Okay, it can be a free course for anything like a lot of the people. For example, if you are going to do a review for any kind of the mobile which is camera specialist, so you can tell them, I will give you a bonus where I will tell you how you can really click the insane selfies, how you can start clicking the best selfies, and then that is the bonus you. And literally guys, it is going to give you it is going to take you at least half an hour or maybe an hour to create that bonus, but it will increase your, it will multiply your income by 10. Okay, if you are going to just make $100, your income will at least go to 10 or sorry, $1,000. Okay, just because 90% who can buy from anywhere, they are going to buy it from your link. That's what you can do. Okay, so that is what the easy thing you can do, and this is what it is going to separate you from rest of the audience. And now how you might be thinking, we need a large audience, especially not guys. Let's say if you are going to get 100 views, okay, and all of them are searching for kind of the review for kitchen knives. Okay, review for kitchen knives. So now what because those guys are going to ask for the review, and you are going to give them a review, and thereafter you are going to tell them, hey, check out this bonus as well, because the bonus is going to be crazy if you are going to buy this from my link. Okay, then you are going to simply give them bonus. You can easily see, guys, click-through rate on YouTube, you can easily get about 20% click-through rate for your link in the description, but let's say only 10% is the click-through rate. Okay, at least 50% will buy, just because those are that hot buyers. They already want to buy. That's why they are searching for the review. It's a buyer's kind of keyword. Okay, so now 50%, only 5% are going to buy. So 5 people are going to buy from 100 views. Really guys, you should not think that you are going to get 5 buyers from your 100 views, because if you are going to sell a $5 item, Okay, if you are going to sell a $5 item, maybe you are going to get 10 buyers. But if you are going to sell a kind of a $100 item, you may not get, you may only get a single kind of a single sale. But the catch is this: you are going to get a 10 sales for $5. That will be a $50. You are going to get a one sale of $100, that will be of $100. So you are going to win on this situation even if you have only one sale. The more and more your product will be of higher price, the less and less the sales you will get. But the catch is this: you are going to make more money with the less sales. Okay, for example, if you are going to sell, on the one hand you are going to sell $100 product, okay, and let's say you are going to get 1,000 views. Okay, you are going to get 1,000 views, and on the other side you are going to sell a $1,000 product. Okay, we are going to be realistic on this stuff. Okay, and what I think that let's say you are going to promote that product in the make money online niche. Okay, so now what you can see over here, generally the let's say the conversion rate on this $100 product is going to be about 8%. Okay, 8%. If the buyers are searching for review, that it can be the 8%. But the catch is this: first of all, we are going to take this stuff. Let's say we are not going to take the crazy stuff. We are only going to take the genuine stuff. Let's say your click-through rate on the YouTube is only 10%. Okay, the 10% click-through rate, that means 100 people are going to click on your link. Okay, which is super low, guys. You can easily get more than 10% click-through rate. Now, out of those 100 are going to click on your link, and now 8 are going to buy. Okay, 8%. But okay, so what you will get is it's $800. Okay, but the catch is this: you are an affiliate marketer, so you will get 50% commission. That is going to be a $400. Okay, so that is what you can think of. And now, guys, on the same thing, for the $1,000 product. $1,000 product depends on what kind of the conversion do they have. Some are having even a 0.5 conversion rate. Some are even having 2% conversion rate. Okay, that really depends. So now let's say you are going to get another time 10% click-through rate, and again you are going to get 100 clicks. And now we are going to look at, for both of the conditions, you are going to get the super low conversion rate, that is 0.5% conversion rate. It will be, it's kind of, I think it's super low. We can let's say we are only going to get 1% conversion rate, because we need more traffic. We need at least 200 clicks to get one sale, because 0.5% is super low, guys. Okay, so now let's say you are going to get kind of 1% on this side. Okay, 1%, that means you are going to get one sale for 100 clicks. So that is going to be $1,000 sale. But the catch is this: you are an affiliate marketer, so what you will get 50%. That means you are going to get $500. But if you are going to sell a product which are having high conversions, for example, there are many products like from the Learn Nation and even from the John Cristani. Those products convert sometime at even 3%, 4%. That is the thing, guys. 0.5% is the super when you will be having a cold traffic. But as I already said, if somebody is searching for review, that means it is a kind of hot lead. Okay, so they are going to buy more likely than the cold traffic. So you can easily get 1% conversion rate. 1% is super low, guys. Do not think it's too much. Okay. And if you are going to get a 2% conversion rate, you are going to make $2,000 sales. Okay, and then you will make $1,000. That is what the thing that separates the high ticket products from the lower tickets. You are going to get less sales from that, but you are going to make more money with those less sales. That is the power of the high ticket sales. Okay, so I really hope that this guy has really helped you in making your first money. Okay, but the catch is this: if you want more about this, then check out the link in the description, because the catch is this: the training I'm going to share with you in the description. It's going to help you to make your first $100 a day online as a complete beginner, guys. Even if you have zero money to start, you have $0 to start. So just click the link in the description now and start getting that training now. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye for now.